Hello kids, welcome to Brainbox Kids. Hey, did you know that some birds can sleep while flying? Or that an owl can turn its head almost all the way around? Amazing, right? Today we are going to explore some of the coolest, craziest and most surprising facts about our feathered friends. Yes, birds. So flap your wings and get ready to fly into the world of Earth. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the bird. Let's meet some of the most amazing ones. Look at this little guy. This is a hummingbird. It is the smallest bird in the world. But guess what? It can flap its wings 80 times per second. And it is the only bird that can fly backward. How cool is that? And here we have the penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are excellent swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to zoom through the water. Some penguins can swim faster than a human can run. Yes! Penguins can't fly, but they can swim faster than a human can run. Now meet the ostrich. This is the biggest bird in the world. But can it fly? No. Ostriches can't fly. But they make up for it by being the fastest running bird. They can run up to 70 km per hour. That's faster than a car in traffic. So, what makes a bird a bird? Feathers, yes. Wings, yes. All birds fly? No. Some, like the penguin and ostrich, don't. All birds lay eggs. Yes. Birds are amazing creatures. Some fly, some swim, and some run super fast. But they all have one thing in common. They make our world beautiful. Do you have a favorite bird? Let me know in the comment box. So kids, now you know that all birds have feathers, but not all birds can fly. Penguins are a type of bird that cannot fly. And the largest bird in the world is the ostrich, but that also cannot fly, but it can run faster. Birds are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. Birds eat insects, fruits, seeds, fish, and small mammals.
And do you know one interesting fact? There are over 10,000 species of birds in the world.
Yes, only bird that can fly backward. Birds have beaks but do not have any teeth. Did you know that? All female birds lay eggs. What fun fact about birds is your favorite? Tell me in the comment box. Bye-bye. See you in the next video with some more interesting and fun videos.